Hey guys, it's Dr. Emer, and we are in our office today, and we're doing a unique thing. We're using plasma pen for a couple reasons. One, just to keep his eyelids rejuvenated, but also we basically have gotten rid of all his tattoo pigmentation from microblading. You can see here, you almost can't see it. And before he had all these streaks of pigment, we do a combination of plasma pen or laser plus tattoo removal, tattoo laser. So we're just going to do one more treatment after this. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to treat fine wrinkles. And in this area, I tend to do a sprinkling externally if we don't do laser. Now he's going to do laser and tightening on the rest of his face. But here we're doing just small bits of plasma energy that's going to help tighten the crow's and the under eye area with minimal downtime. The thing that's cool about this, when you do this well, and he's using Emerage skin, you guys, that's why his skin looks so good, is we designed actually the Refit Face and Eye serum as well as a Hyla B to be used immediately after laser or plasma energy. And that's going to help literally these little spots exfoliate. And you can see I'm going all the way up into his crow's.
What's healing like after this?
Do you want to tell him, Jesse?
Well, for me, it's like about 3 days before the little dots fall off.
And then what does it look like after the dots?
The little dots, then they start to fade. I do use all the skincare products, and I do use the bleaching, the Rev
Yeah,
Skin.
and he uses a Rev Skin Lightening Cream, the fortified bleaching, which you guys can get at emeragecosmetics.com. And he does that because of his skin tone. It's always going to want to get hyperpigmented. So, especially with anything that's related to heating of his type of skin, it's going to be a little red, and it's going to risk a little bit of pigmentation.
Let me know when you're ready to show me and look at the camera.
Okay, hold on.
But overall, like day 5, it looks great.
Yeah, so by day 5, but the thing that's great about this, you guys, with lasers, there's a lot of surrounding inflammation. With this, there's not. It's very focal. So, yeah, there's some dots there, but the healing is quite easy. And it tightens it a lot. And we're going to show some pictures of his soon on social to show you how much improvement he's gotten. He looks so young for 60. I'm kidding. For 65, yeah. Don't, exactly. But this is a maintenance treatment you guys can do every few months. He's doing monthly sort of clear and brilliant laser and tightening with Morpheus. And then now we're going to do the plasma pens to not only get rid of... Can you open for me a little bit? Good. Not only get rid of the pigment above his brow, but also to tighten his lower eyelid skin. His skin's gonna look amazing. You've done lasers here before.
So is this an alternative to Botox?
I mean, look, you still need to Botox because that's movement lines. This is tightening and texture. So it's all a combination. He still does his Botox to maintain, but you know how like a lot of people get these little spots under their eyes and they're really just sweat glands, the dilated glands or milia? We can get rid of them with this or stop any of its formation.
James says I want this.
Come get it. You can do it anytime you want. It's very meticulous. It's really important you space these out properly so that they heal. This is basically a spot fractional treatment because each of these little dots will exfoliate and tighten the area. And so you want to do them spaced out. And what the key is that these exfoliate. So you got to use hyaluronic acid, you got to use vitamin C, you got to use growth factors like my Refit Face and Eye. I combine that with the Anti-Age MD Accelerator and Serum because that's growth factors and stem cells, and it'll help it all heal fast.
Monica's asking, how does it add pigment to the eyebrows? But I think she missed.
No, not add, we remove. See, he had pigment here in a microblading that went wrong, basically. And we're getting rid of it by combining this to lift the pigment along with laser. Let me see you straight, so you want to take a look here.
Before you start this, can I give a quick video?
Yeah, what do you want to videotape?
Just show me and tell me what it is, and then just go straight to it. Just in 3
Okay.
seconds. 3, 2, 1, action.
This is plasma pen, you guys. And I like doing it around the brow because it gives a lot of tightening. So we'll have all these little dots for a few days, and then when they peel, he'll be tighter and brighter. Rosa, you can get to him right in the other room.
Yeah.
And I'll have Nina probably come in, and then I'll come back.
Can this remove sun damage pigment on the face?
You know, this does more tightening, you guys. This is not as much for texture. That's why we combine lasers for him. How's the pain?
Everything's numb, so you can just hear it. And so
What does it sound like?
it just sounds like a little sizzling.
It is. It's focally sizzling the skin. So you guys can see.
I'm not gonna lie, it's not painless, but it's tolerant.
Good. You don't have to lie. Tell him the truth. Tell him the reality. Dr. Emer makes it as best as we can.
I came in late. What device is this?
So tell him, Will. Tell him, you know.
This is a plasma pen.
Plasma pen, you guys, and it doesn't even touch the skin. Just so you guys see, this is using energy that sparks on the surface. So if you get close enough, you'll see I'm not even puncturing the skin. We're just lightly on the surface. And the electrical energy between the surface of the skin and the conduction of the pen improves tightening and wrinkles. Okay, turn this on. It's going a little bit lower because this is the area where everyone notices eye bags when they age.
Especially with masks on your face now.
Yep, everyone's looking at the eyes. The eyes are the window now.
You guys heard the what?
The window to your beauty because everyone's covering up half their face with a mask. Very good. Open all the way for me. And the cool thing, you guys, about this, I can literally go all the way up and get it tightening all the way right to the rim. Perfect. Okay, almost done. So that's it, you guys. I'm just gonna keep going. And then we'll be back when we do some lasers and some radio frequency tightening. Are they asking anything else?
No, this is not for melasma.
No, this is for tightening and texture, guys. This is fine plasma energy tightening the skin.
Is this only for the face?
I mean, you can use it anywhere you have wrinkles. You could use it on elbows, you could use it on knees, you could use it on anywhere that you have wrinkles. Just takes a long time. Could do it for a lip flip. You could do it for a lot of different things.
How is it possible that he doesn't feel anything around the eyes?
Numbing medicine, guys. He feels something. He's just acting really strong. There's also numbing injection here. I like to inject numbing if people are willing to have a little bit of swelling for a day.
His skin looks great. What does he do?
Well, he's using Emerald Skin, you guys, plus a curated treatment from Lindsay at jasonemermd.com. She can always do free skincare consults for you guys and go through all of our products.
It's going live tomorrow at 12.
Going live tomorrow at 12. But Jesse, tell them what you like from our line.
I really can't pick anything because everything's perfect and works great with my skin.
I did not. This is not a paid advertisement.
No, it's not. And I
Just
pay
so
for
you guys
every
know,
product
he did.
also. But listen, they always tell me what to use after each procedure I get done, and I do follow, you know, I don't wear SPF as much as I should, but, you know.
Don't tell me that.
I know. But, you know, all the skincare products sold here really, really do help your skin look great.
And he comes in a lot, but yet he's still orders from Emerald Cosmetics, guys. So that goes to show.
So the new line has been, I've really enjoyed, you know, trying it out, and the two serums that you have, they leave your skin feeling silky, soft.
That's the AOC C and the Hyla B. It's for silkiness. Okay, open all the way. I'm just gonna go a little bit closer here.
Alright guys, we'll see you for the laser.
We'll be back.